Despite a global pandemic that has uprooted businesses and industries of all kinds, plumbing has been relatively untouched by some of the big changes. Our Brenda Lepenski caught up with some local plumbers about what business has been like. Just how busy have they been with last month's winter storm?
Whether it's those busted pipes or that annoying leaky faucet, our local plumbers have been there to fix those issues. And with so much business during these difficult times, industry professionals say plumbing is a career that's here to stay. It's the sound of work.
We're taking this old plumbing out.
Mike Austin with Lowry Plumbing, Heating and Air Conditioning out on one of his many scheduled appointments. That's because his industry has seen a slight boom in business.
Lots of work going around for everyone.
The only comparison that we have of any sort is during the 08, 9, and 10, the housing bubble when it popped. We've brought in 4 new trucks. We hired new technicians.
Rhonda Rushing with Joe Rushing says they've also seen an increase.
We had to stop taking new customers for a while. We've actually had all of our crews working way past 5 o'clock every day.
All saying there could be some reasons for the increase.
We have a good, strong economy in Lubbock, and people are wanting to spend some money.
During this period, it's also critical that people have something that they can rely on.
Now that people are working at home, it seems like they're calling in more frequently. That dripping faucet got on their nerves a little more than, oh, I'm just here, a couple hours every night before I go to bed after work.
Reggie Dahl with the East Lubbock Resident-Owned Business Initiative, a nonprofit that offers apprenticeships in plumbing, says he's not surprised about the boom.
College is not for everybody, and that's fine. Looking for an opportunity to make not only a livable wage, but a wage where you can go out and make a great living for yourself. Plumbing is the way to go.
I've been doing it for 22 years, and I wouldn't change it for the world.
And there certainly is opportunity in the industry. If you'd like more information on the plumbing apprenticeship program that Mr. Dial has, you can head over to our website after the newscast, everythinglubbock.com.